Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to eat pasta. Linguine, shrimp. So make spaghetti aglio olio peperoncino with shrimp. Shrimp peperoncino. I'm gonna make. So about 200 gram shrimp. Just a peel of shell. So today, like this, cut like this. So have to use garlic. Today I use 2 garlic, chili pepper. So I'm gonna make today's slice. Olive oil, little bit wine, secret season, naan chopped parsley. So 3 liter hot boiling water. It's already added 30 grams salt. So today I use linguine, a little fat one. Take long time, maybe 10 minutes in. Okay. Okay, let's start cooking. Garlic and hot chili pepper. Olive oil. This high flame. Kilogram. Now it's start to saute. Little bit white wine, little bit. 10 cc. This al dente pasta. Perfect. Naan a little bit. It's like this. Salt, a little bit. Pastarecipe. More olive oil. This again. Delicious. Done. Okay, let's start to eat spaghetti. Linguine. Shrimp aglio olio peperoncino. いただきます。It's so delicious. Good flavor of garlic and chili pepper. Good combination with shrimp. Looks gorgeous. Looks so good. Good matching with linguine, little fat one type, and pasta. I recommend it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.